Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet connection on iPhone. And for this I have 5 solutions how we can fix this. Alright, the first thing that if we go to settings and we go to our Wi-Fi, make sure that you connect with the correct Wi-Fi. Then the first solution is click here on the I, forget this network, and right now reconnect with this Wi-Fi. And then right now we are reconnected, and then try if this solution works. The second solution is quite simple. Select your Wi-Fi on a other device and check if it's just the Wi-Fi that is not working, or maybe it's just your device. If your Wi-Fi is not working on a other device, then maybe it's a problem with your router or something. So that's the second solution. Then the third solution is restart your iPhone, and after restarting your iPhone, reconnect with the Wi-Fi, and then first forget it, and then the second thing is connect again. Then the fourth thing that we need to check is you need to be sure that airplane mode is turned off, because otherwise your Wi-Fi won't work. Then the fifth thing, and this is a thing that is most of the time the problem that your Wi-Fi is not working, and that is we go to general, and then from here we go to date and time, and make sure that you have your 24-hour time and your set automatically on, because when you have that on just a random time, it won't work. You need the set automatically option, you need to turn that on. Yeah, so that is most of the time the best solution. And then the last thing, that's the sixth thing, and that is go to general, go to software update, and make sure that your iPhone is up to date. So this is exactly the 6 solutions to fix this problem. Hopefully I helped you out with this video. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.